All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Louis. This is also Louis. We call him Louis. We used to work together at Green Valley Ranch. You watched the channel. We became friends. He is going to be my match on episode 2 of Can You Beat Luis? Before we get into any of that, please subscribe to the channel. If you like my jersey, not his t-shirt, but if you like my jersey, EFX.co, promo code Nopolis10. We're going to be bowling a 1-game match right now.
Yep.
Right? Do you know about the prizes?
Yeah. A JB hookup, clean ball, and some new grips.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what you're getting if you beat me.
Okay.
You get a EFX branded t-shirt. You get a detox resurface and grips at JB's, and you get a ball spinner from DH Lab. If you shoot 300, you're going to get any bowling ball you want from JB's, a $100 gift card from DH Lab, and what else? And a semi-custom jersey, if you want just like this, from EFX.
Cool.
Any questions?
Nope.
All right.
Let's
Good luck.
get it. Yay.
All right, here we go, guys. Louis decided to go first. He's throwing a Black Widow Mania. Oh,
Splitter.
little split to start.
Woo.
We didn't get a chance to ask him. You nervous at all?
I'm very nervous.
He said he's very nervous.
Very nervous.
Our last match, Ryan said he was pretty nervous, but he also shot 200. He had a shot at the win. So currently 1-0. Louis throwing a Black Widow Mania and a Clear Storm spare ball. All right. I'm actually going to be throwing a different ball on each lane because this is my second match of the day and the right lane kind of got away from me. I'm throwing the Brunswick Crown Victory on the right lane and the Motive Evoke Hysteria on the left lane. Oh, I missed that at the bottom. I haven't thrown a shot in 20 minutes. I missed it at the bottom pretty bad.
Easy pickup.
Yeah, we should have warmed up again after that lady came and talked to us.
After your interview.
Yeah, I got interviewed by a 78-year-old woman from New Jersey. All right, so we start off spare. So I got a very, very small lead after one, but like I said, we hadn't warmed up yet. Hold on, let me throw 2 full shots and then you can go.
Cool.
We'll go 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. Louis ready to bowl, man. He ain't messing around. All right, this left lane was hooking pretty good. We just have to throw a good shot here. Oh! That hooked a lot, man.
Shit.
Jeez. I might have to ball change on the left lane as well. All right, we got an ugly match here to start. Woo. All right, strike spare to start. All right, Louis, come on.
Let's get it.
Oh, spare. Spare. I said strike spare to start. Spare.
All right, let's get it.
The only difference was, like, instead of 18 in the front, I had 20 in the front. Bang!
Finally.
He ain't messing around. Louis ain't messing around. All right, let's see. He got 9 in the first and a strike in the second, and I got spare. Basically, he's up by 1 already. Got to make a good shot, man. Throwing 2 bad shots so far. That's a good shot. Hey! Woo. There we go.
Let's go.
Yo, who are you rooting for over here, bro? All right, I don't have time to warm up. I got to start throwing good shots. That's a big double after a split there for him. No, I missed it at the bottom big time, dude. That long pause really hurt, man. All right. This is not a
least I know I'm not
must-have
gonna get the
spare,
ball.
but we're getting pretty close there already.
I like that Evoke though.
Woo! Spare
Mr.
shooter.
Clean.
Spare.
Mr.
I needed
Clean.
that bad, man. Woo. All right, so we got spare to start. It's still early, but he has a double on me right now. I think I needed that. Not for the score, but for my psyche. All right, thrown 3 bad shots so far.
Got it.
Woo! All right,
Yes, sir.
I made that washout.
That ball's too clean. My next ball is definitely going to be a motive.
Whatever best value, and then we can keep the cards. Yeah, Lewis can keep any cards.
No. All right, we got ourselves a match here. That was a big strike for me, boys. That's got a hook. Bang! Woo! Hey, for the record, I'm the one who told him to buy this
Yeah.
ball. For the record.
He's the reason why my average went up.
So I recommend him a ball, and then he uses it against me.
HK22, baby.
Glad it works for somebody. So I'm down about 15 right now.
Ah,
Ooh. All right, now we're gonna see if he can shoot some spares. We're gonna see if Louis can shoot some spares under pressure here. All right, match just changed a little bit. That looks good.
chop.
All right,
Chop,
shake
chop.
it off. All right, so I have not thrown a good shot on the right lane yet. And I ball changed based on what I saw at the end of last match. But like I said, I haven't thrown a good shot yet.
Oh,
All right, we're gonna have to move left on that lane as well. Just keep chucking along here. All right. Keep chucking along here. He got 95 in the 5th open. And let's see what I got here. We'll check the spare. I got 74 in the 4th and a spare, so 94. I'm down 1 with a strike here. We're gonna be moving left on both lanes.
oh.
That was a pretty big, pretty big move. Pretty big move
All
left
right.
on that lane.
2 open.
Good shot though. All right, so I'm down 1. That's why spares are important. So did he. Good shot. Bang. Whew. All right, guys, through 6. 1-pin match through 6. That's the value of strikes right there, man. I'm clean and I'm down. Hey, that looked like a foul to me. It looked like a foul. Just kidding. Woo! All right, so the same move we made on the left lane, we're gonna make on the right lane. That's a big double coming off an open. He did that last time as well.
Ooh. So clean.
That ball's pretty weak. I thought it was gonna come back harder. All right, we still got a 1-pin match.
I'll just be happy if I don't
I'm
get
banking
it.
on some help here from Louis.
Boom.
Good
So
shot.
pretty. So pretty.
Evoke Hysteria is going to be ball of the year, bro. I mean, think about it. How many balls do I go through? And I've been throwing this for a month straight.
All right.
All right, guys, still a 1-pin match. I'm still down. Bang! Woo! You don't want to see him throw a split because then he turkeys right after. Fight, he's winning. There's no fight. I'm getting, you know. I like him, man. He's focused, no emotion. I like this, man. That's 10 back, baby. Woo!
Let's
Yo,
go.
I thought you said you averaged 150, bro. What's going on over here? That's 2 matches in a row. I get sandbagged. Hey, good thing there was no handicap involved.
I'm just happy I didn't gut her yet.
All right, guys. So I'm down 1. So even if I strike out the 9th and 10th, there's nothing I can do to shut him out. He's gonna have ball in hand no matter what.
Sickos. Got it. Oh.
That was really, really slow. So basically, he just has to have a pulse now to beat me. But I got to get this spare and show up in the 10th here. All right, so I'm down big now. Down like 20 pins. He's working on a 4-bagger into the 10th. And I'm clean. But that I wish I would have 4-baggered there. But anything can happen. Woo! All right, that's a clean game, but I don't know if it's going to be enough because he's already struck 7
I need
times.
that ball. I want that motive.
Probably should have stayed
need
in
a
the
motive
Evoke a
in
little
my-
longer on the right
my
lane,
bag.
but it looked really bad at the end of last match.
Next season for sure, probably sniper in the. Yeah.
All right, one time. You never know.
Oh.
All right. So spare here for 211.
Please don't split.
All right.
All right.
Same spot as last time. Any mark to win. Damn. right up there, no weight. I like this guy, dude. Oh, that's in. Woo! Lou, you trying to give me a heart attack? No, I know. Yeah, he just needed a count. Good count.
This what, season 3 of?
Season 2.
Do you plan on how many episodes
I think I'm gonna do 20. Maybe I'm gonna do a dating show like Drewski. Could have been love. All right, Louis. All right, guys. All right, so let's see. Final score. Because even if I punch out, it's 221. All right, all right, come over here. You're the winner. All right, Louis is our first winner of the series. Final score 222 to 211. He threw some really unbelievable shots. I thought I threw some really good shots as well. Good match. So now you're gonna win a ball spinner, the package at JB's, and a branded T-shirt. All you got to do is reach out to me. You know me, so no big deal.
Yep.
And we'll get you all taken care of. Congratulations.
Woo! Finally won something.
Finally won something?
I finally won something.
Now you can go to the folks at Blue Ribbon and tell them, I beat Lewis's ass. Now, guys, we'll see you on the next one, all right? And if you want to be in a match, use the form down below in the description, all right? And subscribe, because you have to be subscribed to be in a match.
Let's go.
All right, I forgot to record. Now,